The hourly wage for a certified nursing assistant can range from $10 to $15. This wage can change depending on the geographical location, the level of experience, and the type of facility in which they are employed. They can expect to earn an annual salary of $21,000 to $29,000. How to become a certified nursing assistant? What does it take to become a certified nursing assistant? They play an important role in the healthcare field, providing basic care to patients under the direction of a registered nurse or licensed practical nurse. If you want to become one, there are a few things you need to do. The first step is to find an accredited program. Most programs require at least 120 hours of training, which can be completed in as little as a few weeks or as long as a few months. The program will provide you with the basics of nursing care, such as how to take a patient's temperature, how to care for a wound, and how to help a patient with personal hygiene. After completing an accredited program, you will need to take the National Nurse Aide Assessment Program exam. This is a two-part exam that tests your knowledge of nursing care and your ability to perform basic nursing tasks. Once you have passed the exam, you will be a certified nursing assistant. What are the duties of a nursing assistant? They typically perform basic care tasks such as providing personal hygiene, bed making, and feeding patients. They may also take vital signs, record food and fluid intake and output, and change bedding. In some cases, they may also administer medication or treatments as directed by a nurse. What are the job satisfaction levels? A recent study by the National Nursing Foundation found that the job satisfaction levels for nursing assistant are high. In fact, 87% reported being satisfied with their jobs. The majority said they feel good about the work they do, and 78% said they feel fulfilled by their work. What factors contribute to job satisfaction? The National Nursing Foundation study found that a number of factors contribute to job satisfaction for nursing assistants. These include feeling appreciated by patients and coworkers, having a meaningful job, and feeling like part of a team. Nursing assistants also cited having a positive work environment and good pay and benefits as important factors in job satisfaction. To conclude, becoming a certified nursing assistant is a great way to enter the medical field and gain experience. Nursing assistants have the opportunity to work with patients and learn about different medical procedures. The job also offers a variety of career opportunities.